ప్రిపోజిషన్స్ చిన్న వర్డ్స్ అయినా కూడా కరెక్ట్గా ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడడానికి చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మనం రోజు మాట్లాడే సెంటెన్సెస్లో వీటిని చాలా ఫ్రీక్వెంట్గా యూస్ చేస్తాం. కాబట్టి ఈ వీడియోలో మనం 100 యూస్ఫుల్ ప్రిపోజిషన్స్ని, అంటే మోస్ట్ కామన్లీ యూస్డ్ ప్రిపోజిషన్స్ని మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయబోతున్నాం. ఓకే, నేను మొదట చెప్తాను, నాతో పాటు తర్వాత మీరు రిపీట్ చేయాలి. చివరిగా మీ అంతటా మీరు గట్టిగా చెప్పాలి ఎప్పుడు బెల్ సౌండ్ వినిపించినప్పుడు. ఓకే, సో ఈ ప్రాక్టీస్ అంతా మీరు గట్టిగా చేయాలి. దీనికి దగ్గర 20 to 30 minutes పడుతుంది. కాబట్టి మీరు టైం తీసుకుని ఫోకస్డ్గా కూర్చుని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. ఇన్, లో, ద బుక్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద బ్యాగ్. అగైన్, ద బుక్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద బ్యాగ్. ఆన్, మీద, the phone is on the table. The phone is on the table. At, vadda. I am at home. I am at home. To, ku vaipu. I am going to school. I am going to school. Good. From, nundi. She came from India. She came from India. Of, yokka. This is a cup of tea. This is a cup of tea. For, kosam. This gift is for you. This gift is for you. With, to. I went with my friend. I went with my friend. Good job. Without, lekunda. I cannot go without you. I cannot go without you. By, dwara. I came by bus. I came by bus. About, gurinchi. We talked about English. We talked about English. Above, paina. The fan is above us. The fan is above us. Below, kinda. The shoes are below the bed. The shoes are below the bed. Under, kinda. The cat is under the chair. The cat is under the chair. Over, meeduga. The plane flew over the city. The plane flew over the city. Between, madhyalo. She sat between two friends. She sat between two friends. Among, aneka mandilo. He stood among the students. He stood among the students. Near, daggara. My house is near the school. My house is near the school. Beside, pakkana. Sit beside me. Sit beside me. Next to, pakkane. The bank is next to the shop. The bank is next to the shop. Good. Behind, venaka. The car is behind the house. The car is behind the house. In front of, mundu. The teacher stood in front of the class. The teacher stood in front of the class. Before, mundu. Wash your hands before lunch. Wash your hands before lunch. After, tarvata. We went home after class. We went home after class. Good job. During, samayamlo. Do not talk during the movie. Do not talk during the movie. until వరకు. Wait here until 5 o'clock. Wait here until 5 o'clock. Till వరకు. I studied till midnight. I studied till midnight. Since నుండి. I have lived here since 2020. I have lived here since 2020. Around చుట్టూ. We walked around the park. We walked around the park. Across అడ్డంగా అవతలికి. She walked across the road. She walked across the road. Through ద్వారా. The train went through the tunnel. The train went through the tunnel. Into లోకి. Put the books into the bag. Put the books into the bag. Good. Out of బయటకి. He came out of the room. He came out of the room. Onto మీదకి. The cat jumped onto the sofa. The cat jumped onto the sofa. Off మీద నుండి దూరంగా. Take your shoes off the mat. Take your shoes off the mat. Up పైకి. She walked up the stairs. She walked up the stairs. Good. గట్టిగా చెప్పాలి. Down కిందకి. He ran down the hill. He ran down the hill. Along వెంట. He walked along the river. He walked along the river. Past దాటి. She walked past my house. She walked past my house. Beyond దాటి ఆవల. The village is beyond the river. The village is beyond the river. Toward వైపు. He walked toward the gate. He walked toward the gate. Towards వైపు. She moved towards the door. She moved towards the door. Against వ్యతిరేకంగా ఆనించి. The ladder is against the wall. The ladder is against the wall. Inside లోపల. The keys are inside the drawer. The keys are inside the drawer. Good. Outside బయట. The children are outside the house. The children are outside the house. Within లోపల. Finish this work within an hour. Finish this work within an hour. Outside of బయట. The bike is outside of the gate. The bike is outside of the gate. Beneath కింద. The treasure was beneath the ground. The treasure was beneath the ground. Good. Underneath కింద. The ball is underneath the sofa. The ball is underneath the sofa. Atop. The flag is atop the building. The flag is atop the building. Amid మధ్యలో. He stayed calm amid the noise. He stayed calm amid the noise. Amidst మధ్యలో. She smiled amidst the crowd. She smiled amidst the crowd. Along with తో పాటు. I went along with my sister. I went along with my sister. Together with తో కలిసి. Ravi came together with his friends. Ravi came together with his friends. because of కారణంగా. The match stopped because of rain. The match stopped because of rain. Due to కారణంగా. The train was late due to traffic. The train was late due to traffic. According to ప్రకారం. According to Ravi, the lesson is easy. According to Ravi, the lesson is easy. Instead of బదులుగా. Drink water instead of soda. Drink water instead of soda. In spite of ఉన్నప్పటికీ. She smiled in spite of pain. She smiled in spite of pain. Despite ఉన్నప్పటికీ. He came despite the rain. He came despite the rain. Except తప్ప. Everyone came except Ravi. Everyone came except Ravi. Except for తప్ప. The room is clean except for the table. The room is clean except for the table. Apart from తప్ప కాకుండా. Apart from English, she studies Hindi. Apart from English, she studies Hindi. As లాగా. He works as a teacher. He works as a teacher. Good job. Like లాగా. She sings like a professional. She sings like a professional. Unlike లాగా కాదు. Unlike his brother, he is quiet. Unlike his brother, he is quiet. Per ప్రతి ప్రకారం. We pay rent per month. We pay rent per month. Via ద్వారా. I send the file via email. I send the file via email. Than కంటే. She is taller than me. She is taller than me. As for విషయానికి వస్తే. As for English, practice is important. As for English, practice is important. As to గురించి సంబంధించి. I'm not sure as to the answer. I'm not sure as to the answer. Regarding గురించి. We spoke regarding the exam. We spoke regarding the exam. Good. Concerning గురించి. I have a question concerning fees. I have a question concerning fees. Considering పరిగణనలోకి తీసుకుంటే. Considering his age, he did well. Considering his age, he did well. Including సహా. 5 people came including Ravi. 5 people came including Ravi. Excluding మినహా. The price is $50 excluding tax. The price is $50 excluding tax. Good job. Plus తో పాటు. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Minus తీసేస్తే. 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. Round చుట్టూ. We sat round the table. We sat round the table. About to చేయబోతూ. I'm about to leave. I'm about to leave. Good. Very well done. Close to దగ్గరగా. The shop is close to my house. The shop is close to my house. Far from దూరంగా. My office is far from home. My office is far from home. away from దూరంగా. Stay away from fire. Stay away from fire. Near to దగ్గరగా. The school is near to the station. The school is near to the station. Ahead of ముందుగా. She walked ahead of me. She walked ahead of me. Back of వెనుక భాగంలో. The garden is at the back of the house. The garden is at the back of the house. In between మధ్యలో. There is a small gap in between. There is a small gap in between. On top of పైన. The keys are on top of the fridge. The keys are on top of the fridge. In addition to తో పాటు. In addition to English, learn grammar. In addition to English, learn grammar. In case of జరిగితే సందర్భంలో. Call me in case of emergency. Call me in case of emergency. In place of స్థానంలో. Use this word in place of that word. Use this word in place of that word. In front ముందు. Please stand in front. Please stand in front. At the back of వెనుక భాగంలో. He sat at the back of the class. He sat at the back of the class. At the end of చివరలో. Write your name at the end of the page. Write your name at the end of the page. At the beginning of ప్రారంభంలో. Say your name at the beginning of the video. Say your name at the beginning of the video. On behalf of తరపున. I spoke on behalf of my team. I spoke on behalf of my team. Good. In favor of అనుకూలంగా. I am in favor of this idea. I am in favor of this idea. In need of అవసరంలో. He is in need of help. He is in need of help. In search of వెతుకుతూ. They went in search of water. They went in search of water. In terms of పరంగా. In terms of speaking, practice is important. In terms of speaking, practice is important. Yay! Well done! You're doing great. మనకి నోటికి బాగా అలవాటైనంత వరకు మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ కూడా మీరు ఇది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ప్రాక్టీస్ మీకు కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి కింద కామెంట్స్లో కంప్లీటెడ్ అని కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఎనీ డౌట్స్, ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగండి. ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ టు హెల్ప్ అండ్ గైడ్ యూ. ప్లేలిస్ట్ చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ లెసన్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ సీక్వెన్స్లో ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఓకే, సీ యూ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషన్.